Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Prime Minister Narendra Modi da resignation letter pisankhre. Haukiba nimit kharani asida NTA nalauba NET examination gi question paper leak oikibagi mayokta laibag asigi maikai kayadagi naha kayana Union Education Minister from Thadau haina akanba khongjing jangshinduna achouba iho ama lakhibani. Khongjing asibu tonga political party yauna level kayanasu saugatkhi. Amadi Kokra Janta Party nasu khongjang asida achouba thodang lauduna lakhibani. Panbayai climate activist Sonam Wangchuk nasu question leak oikibagi mayokta Union Education Minister from Thadau haina numit 23 ni chupna chara henbi khongjang jangshindkhibani.